Hello, my name is Catalina Vargas, and through my university and practical experience, I have been preparing myself for a career in the marketing and communications area. I have experience in group work, and this was strengthened in my university in a fair called Espiritu, in which we had to create a business plan sample for an innovative company in groups of 4 people, which I led, and it was an activity in which we had to work together and test our organizational and communication skills, and also we had to learn how to organize and prioritize our time. I also have some experience in the marketing area, which I gained when I interned for a month in the marketing department of Artegel Italia Limitada, which is a leading importer and distributor of utensils for the production of ice creams and also desserts in Colombia. I had to manage the relationship between clients and us and help with the distribution of publicity, and it was delivered to more than 100 clients. I am an extrovert and creative individual, and as I used to live in Florence for 6 months, I am comfortable when speaking other languages and communicating with other cultures. I am also very committed to my work, and I am determined to achieve my goals whenever I set my mind to them. So that is why I look forward to meeting with CESA and have the opportunity and the privilege of contributing to your growth and your internationalization. Thank you very much.